Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Flavian. Today we'll be unboxing a router from TP-Link. Now, this is router. The model number is TL-MR3420. Now, as I can see the box is very hard. That means it's secure. The router is secure from inside. It is secure from outside because this box I can see is very strong. Now, some of the specification of this router. First, it has a quick and reliable Wi-Fi, and it has a very strong and fast Wi-Fi connection for up to 300 megabytes per second. So this router is very fast compared to older models. Now the other one, it supports 3G and 4G connectivity. So this router has a USB port that allows you to connect a 3G and 4G USB modem. So it enables you to share your mobile data connection with multiple devices via Wi-Fi. So you can connect this router with your modem, USB modem, and you can share your Wi-Fi through this router. That is good. Now the other one, it has Ethernet ports. It has 4 Ethernet ports, which will enables you to connect your devices like a printer, computer, gaming consoles, and TVs. So you can connect that direct from this router. The other one, there's a one port, that is wide area port, which allows you to connect the router to a traditional wired broadband, that is Ethernet connection, such as DSL and cable modem, in addition to 3G and 4G. So you have 2 types of connection for the internet for this router. So if you don't have wired internet from the traditional broadband wired Ethernet, you can connect your 3G modem to this router and you have your internet. The other one, it has for security, it has a firewall so that no one can hack you or can access your Wi-Fi through your router. So you are safe when you have this router. The other one is I can say this router is very easy for setup. You can say setting this router is very easy. So it doesn't need all those kind of a lot of configuration. So it's very easy to set this router. The other one, for this router, you have a guest mode or guest network. That means that you can have 2 separate Wi-Fi or network at your home. Can you imagine that? That means that you have one which you can say is yours, your main one. Then that like Wi-Fi, you can call it your name or whatever you want. That will be yours. And another one, you can set it as a guest, so that when you have a guest, you can give them a separate guest Wi-Fi for them. So you will not be sharing your Wi-Fi with them, but you are sharing the same router. That is freaking very good when you can imagine it. Now the other one, the other one is that it has parental controls. That means you can manage all the connected devices on this router. You can manage it on one single machine. So you can see everyone how they are doing through this router. So that is very good. Now the other one is that it has a bandwidth control. That is very good for this router. That means that you can you can assign your preferred devices, or yes, preferred devices according to their priority. That means the device that needs a lot of bandwidth, you can assign it to have more bandwidth. Like let's say that your home or your place where you are, you have bandwidth of up to, let's say, like 10 megabytes per second. That's what you are that's what you have, or you have been given, you have been issued with. That means you can allocate some devices, like you give them that two which don't have that priority, and those that have priority, you can give them like 5 megabytes or 7 megabytes, whatever you want. Now let's unbox it so that we can see what is inside the router. Now guys, this is a package. Let us unbox and see what is inside. And for what they are saying, as you can see here, for the package, they are saying they have 3G, they have the router itself, they have a power adapter, they have a cable for Ethernet, and they have they have guides. So let us open it and see for ourselves. Oh, that's the router. Let's set the box aside. Now this is a package. What you get in the package, we have a power adapter. Is the power adapter. It has 9 volts. This is 9 volts power adapter for the router. We have the router itself. This is the router itself. And then in the box, we have also quick installation guides. These are the guides, as you can see. We have this, then we have the Ethernet cable. It's very short, but it can do the job. So I think it can do the job. It is the cable. Now let's see the router itself. Now guys, this is the router itself. Now, as you can see on the back, we have the wireless passcode, that is PIN for accessing the Wi-Fi. Now, on this front, we have these icons. The first one is for power. Second one is to tell you if the Wi-Fi is on, or maybe you have a link for Wi-Fi. The second one is for if there is any connection on ports for a computer that is wired, or any device which uses Ethernet. The fourth one, this is for internet. This will show you if the router has internet. When the internet is on, this will light up. This USB sign is for USB modem on the back, and you can see we have two antennas. These antennas are very good because they increase the area coverage. As you can see, they have two. Now on the first one, we have a power for the adapter. The second one, we have a button for on and off. The second one, this one is for one, as you can see, wide area networks. This one is where you connect from your modem. This is where you connect, and the rest 4 ports are for connection for your laptop or computer, or printers, or game consoles. This one, or TV. This is where you can connect. And another one on top, we have another one. This recorded as Wi-Fi, as you can see. This is for resetting your Wi-Fi, and the second one is for resetting the whole router. All the changes you have made, you can start with this, and you will reset to default. This port for USB. The port is for a USB modem. Let me show you like one I have. This is what we are talking about. You can use this one if you don't have internet on your house. As we open it, you can see you can put your SIM card in. And remember, when you put SIM card in, it is supposed to be pinless. So you have to deactivate your pin, then you can use this one, and you have the access. You can use it, and you have the access to for internet or Wi-Fi. Now, what I can say about this router is very good. Most when you can imagine that it has a modem, a 3G and 4G modem, which it will not be an issue when you don't have internet through your traditional wire network. You can connect your modem, your USB modem, and you will have your Wi-Fi. You can share your Wi-Fi through your modem, and I think that is very good for this router. I like very much this router because of that. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification. And if you have any question, you can comment, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that you can be notified when I upload the setup for this router, because in the next video we'll upload the setup where you can configure and set up this router. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.